This is an example of the sensory neuron, which passes the signals to the interneurons. The sensory receptors pass the message down to the dendrites and all the way down the long axon. Down the sensory neuron's axon, it then reaches the axon terminus of the cell and passes down to the interneuron's dendrites. The interneurons then passes the message to other places, mainly to the motor neuron. Now let's take a closer look at the message passing through the axons. In this example, the axon is wrapped by numerous myelin sheaths. During resting potential, the sodium-potassium pumps are more permeable to potassium ions, which makes most of the sodium ions remain outside and the potassium ions stay in the inside of the axon. Therefore, this makes the inside of the axon more negatively charged. However, when the message comes, an action potential occurs. In the sections that are wrapped by myelin sheath, the charges are not affected by the message. However, not of Ranvier. The charges changed. When the message arrives to the node of Ranvier, at first the sodium gates open, which lets the sodium ions to swarm in. As a result, the charges of that section becomes relatively positive. Right after the sodium comes in, the potassium gates open and the potassium ions leaves. Therefore, the charge in that section becomes relatively negative again. When the message passes through the node of Ranvier, it experiences refractory periods in which the sodium-potassium pump then pumps the potassium ions in and the sodium ions out in order to restore the previous ion distribution. The steps then occurred again when the message reaches the next node. The message is passed down the dendrites to the axon bulbs, in which more actions occurred in order to go on. As the message reaches the bulb, synaptic vesicles carrying the neurotransmitters in them then reaches to the membrane. It then diffuses with the membrane and the neurotransmitters are released. The neurotransmitter flows through the synaptic cleft and binds to the receptors on the other side. At that instant, the receptors then open up a tunnel to let the sodium ions in. Once the message passes through, it goes along the cells and to the motor neuron. Now, for our example, the drug affects the synaptic vesicles to go faster than usual, which confuses the brain and make it not function properly.